Happy Thursday. It is 11:42. My back pain is still ongoing, and today feels like it's so much worse. Like, I had a hard time getting dressed, feeding the cats, walking around, basically doing everything. So I took some leave, didn't really do much, and I put some ice on it. Francisco's convinced that it's soreness. I think it's inflammation, but at last, here we are. But anyways, I got a package, and
I don't see why it would be inflammation. Inflammation means that you messed something up in your back. I don't think you did. You would have felt it.
but it happened overnight. How would I have felt it? I woke up with pain.
Yeah, because of soreness. I mean, soreness doesn't come on right away.
I don't know.
And it usually lasts like 2 days. So it should start subsiding. And also, not moving around probably, or walking around probably a lot, is not helping with it, because it doesn't give it the ability to actually warm up.
Maybe. So we had a package in the mail, and I'm very excited. So these shoes I've been looking for a long time. I tried them on at what is the store called? The Rack Room, something like that. And I tried on a different color because I didn't have the color I wanted, but I know that the size I wanted wasn't available in store. I don't know if that makes sense. So I went on a hunt and kept looking for them until finally Famous Footwear had them. Now, the only problem with Famous Footwear that I don't like is that they take forever on return, especially if you pay PayPal. So this time I paid with my card directly instead of paying PayPal. So these are the women's Nike Waffle Debut. And I typically wear 8.5. I got them in a size 9 because I do have a wide foot. And I feel like the 9 just fit better. So here are my new shoes. Alright guys, so here is the shoe. Isn't she lovely? How does the song go? Isn't she lovely?
Something like that. I don't know the rest.
Yeah, me neither. But I really like these because, well, first of all, they're really pretty. And I liked that they were a neutral color. So this is kind of like a cream color. And then it has the white and then the black swoosh. And what I liked is that the swoosh kind of comes all the way to the back. And it connects to the other side. So I thought they were kind of different, kind of cool. And like I said, I tried them on. I really liked how they felt. So I'm going to try them on and show you guys what they look like. Alright, so there's an up close for you guys. I'll just go turn on the light. I think you can see them better there. Aren't they so pretty though? I don't like these. They're so comfortable. Do they have these for men?
I think so, but I'm not sure. They have some that are pretty similar, so I was confused on if the ones that I think are the ones.
And they're honestly so comfortable too. Like, I didn't know if they were going to be comfortable or not, but they're so comfortable. I love that they're neutral, so they're going to match basically anything I wear. And I love that they don't look big. Sometimes because I have wide feet, I have to wear bigger than normal shoes, and they look big. But these, I feel like they look normal. And I'm excited. Hello everyone, it is 5:30. We're off of work. Just finished washing some of the dishes, and I'm gonna do finally the last every plate. This one here is the honey sriracha fried chicken. I am a little bit over every plate. That's the only thing with every plate, is that I like getting it for trying new things, but then I end up missing the things that I like to cook. So when it's like 3 meals in a row that are not things that I'm used to cooking, and then we eat out on the weekend, it just makes me miss my style of cooking. But it's okay. We have this last one, and it's supposed to have mashed potatoes and zucchini. So I don't think it's that hard. So I'm just gonna get all the things ready to go, and we're gonna cook this meal. Alright, so in my box I have the 2 zucchinis, a ton of potatoes. It's gonna be quite a lot. Surprised they gave us so many. I have the garlic powder, I have the honey, and then the fridge I have the other item. Alright, and here is the chicken breast. I have the sriracha and sour cream. So do you want to peel the potatoes for me?
Do you need to peel them?
Yeah, so I'm gonna make mashed potatoes with them. Alright, so I'm gonna slice the zucchini. I'm gonna cut up the sweet potatoes, put them in water, and then I'm gonna grab the flour, an egg, water, salt, and pepper.
Get out of here.
What?
The tip of the potato fell off.
He was burying it?
Yeah.
Do you see him? Or do you hear him? Oh my. Now let's bring it. Oh, sorry. Oh, what's that smell? Sriracha. So when you get a chance, can you set the table? Okay. Sooner than later. Archie, this is mine. Go get your own. Alright, so Francisco's watching the Niners game, and because I'm bored, I've decided I'm gonna do my nails because they're pretty grown out already. So I'm gonna start by filing them with my filer. Then I will go in with my dehydrator, my primer. Then will be my builder. This thickens your nails. If you have really brittle nails, they make them feel like, basically, honestly, like they're acrylics. Like they're super, super thick. And I'm not sure on the color yet. I'm either blue or red. And then I'll do the top coat from Beetles. So let's go ahead and get started because this really takes a long time. Alright, so I'm going to apply some of this cuticle oil. I buy these on Amazon, and basically you just fill them up with whatever oil you use. And then it has like a little brush at the tip. And you just click them up. And I really like this for my cuticles because it makes it really easy to like carry in your purse or have it like out in like your drawer or whatever in the bathroom without it spilling. Alright guys, we had some stressful moments. Francisco helped me to do this hand. We nearly killed each other, but we pulled through and we did it. He did a really good job with the little gift nail. Apparently he's never really used a brush before or done like watercoloring, which I didn't know. But how pretty did they turn out? I think they look wonderful. So beautiful. The little snowflake on the thumb, I think it turned out really pretty as well. And the glitter on them, it just looks so pretty. How pretty. Of course this hand is always going to be the best because it's my good hand, but I think the other one turned out really pretty as well. So these are my Christmas nails. What do you guys think? I think they turned out so pretty. I love the blue. I love the white detail, the sparkles. Oh, I feel like they turned out really pretty. But it is late. I am tired. My back feels a lot better. This took a really long time. It always does. But I always love them at the end. Actually, no, not always. But I'm always hopeful that I'll love them at the end. And I loved these so much. Here's one more look in case you missed it. Here it is. How pretty. Alright, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm just gonna go get ready for bed. I am actually pretty tired, so I'm gonna go clean my face, put on my pajamas, and just get ready to go to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll link all the products that I used for my nails below in case you guys are interested. And yeah, that's gonna be all, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog. Bye.